So it's 10k day in Glasgow. Quite nervous, got a lot of nervous energy just now. The last time I did a 10k was in 2009, I think. So yeah, feeling quite nervous, but had a good breakfast. Had Weetabix with blueberries and banana. Plenty of water, so it's nearly showtime. One K down. Don't know if you can see that 4:34 for the first K, so maybe started off a bit too fast. So I need to pace myself a bit more. 2 kilometers in. What an idiot, I pressed stop before. So I'm not recording my time, so I've got a guess.
Sit here thinking of you. Maybe I'm painting blue. What I'm about to do is show your
5k halfway. Feeling okay. I think I did start too fast. Anyway, gotta keep going. 6 kilometers down. It's really warm. Okay, approaching 7 kilometers. Really struggling now. It's just so warm. Great day, really enjoying it. Just need to start pushing myself. To go. 9 kilometers. Last one to go, big push. George Square dead ahead. Big push. Nearly there. Nice big goodie bag.
Let's keep it going.